husky, he can definitely not jump over there. Hey, go! Ugh. They're so dirty right now. They need baths. I don't know where my little dog is, or I would put him up there. Like, somewhere. God, we have 81 people in here right now. It's hot as hell. I might melt. Alexa, how hot is it? It feels so hot.
Today, expect a high of 57 degrees Fahrenheit.
It feels hot. Like, I'm like sweating hot. Miles, come here. You want to try your new table? It's hot. Hi. Ew. Gosh. Ew, he just got in water and... Okay, no. No. Back up. Go. Kennel. Ew. And it is very hot. Yeah, it's hot out here. That's it. God, why is he bleeding? Okay, wait, stay. What happened to him? Hey! Don't get blood on me. Come here. Sit down. Sit. Guys, he has blood on him. I wonder if he got in a fight with a little guy. Miles, come here, boy! Gosh. He always gets in fights with the other little dog. Because they're jealous of each other. Why are you bleeding? Why do you have blood on it? Hey, I don't want it on me though. Don't be hurt, buddy. Yeah, I gotta handle this. I don't know what the hell is happening. Miles, come here. There's no blood on me though. Why are you bleeding? Sit. Sit. Lord. Miles, come here. Miles, come here. Stop. Okay. Scoot over. Shit, oh, scoot. Ow. This is on the table. I don't know how to do this, so... I think you just put this around there. Hey, what is going on with you? Hey, stop! No! Oh my god! There's blood on him! Hey, sit down. Sit. No! Sit! Good boy. Oh, I get blood on me! Okay, scoot over. Bye. Thank you. I don't know why he's blood on me. So, my butt is blood. But I don't know why. I think he thinks he's the shit. I think he thinks it's like a tower. No, ew. Yeah, bro, he just got blood all over me. But he's just bleeding on his ear. Gosh. I don't know why he's bleeding. I think he got caught on his ear or something. Come here, Shadow. Sit. Sit down. But he's getting blood all over me, so it sucks.